Hello everyone and welcome back in today's new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the proprietary codecs on Fedora, so let's begin. So the first thing to do is to open your terminal, here it is, and you have to type this command that I'm going to paste in the description of the video, and this command just enables the third-party RPM Fusion non-free repositories so that we can install the codecs from there. So just copy and paste it from the description of this video and let's press enter, let's input our password. And we just type Y, which stands for yes, and then we press enter again, and it will install the non-free RPM Fusion repos as well as the free repos. So after it has finished installing them, we can just copy and paste the second command that you will also be able to find in the description of this video. So here it is, and this will install the full version of ffmpeg, and it will erase the ffmpeg version that is the free one that is shipped by Fedora, so that we can have the full proprietary codecs that we need and that are missing right now. So let's copy and paste this command and let's press enter again. Let's wait until it refreshes the repositories, and boom, as you can see, it will remove the free versions of these codecs and it will install the full version. So let's press Y again and let's press enter. And here let's type Y again, and boom, now we have the full codecs. So just by doing this, you will have the full proprietary codecs that were missing. But if you want to go further, there is also a page from the RPM Fusion website that can also give you even more codecs. And so, for example, if you want to install even more codecs, you can just copy and paste this command and we can paste it here. Run it, and it's going to install more codecs. So as you can see here in this page, we have the first command that we have already done, then we have installed more codecs, and if you want to have like the Intel media driver codec, if you're on Intel, you can just copy and paste this command. If you want to have the AMD codec, you can just copy this command. As you can see here, hardware codecs with AMD. You can also install some NVIDIA codecs right here. You just copy and paste this command, but you have to have the NVIDIA driver installed for these NVIDIA codecs. And yeah, that's everything you need to do. So just by doing the ffmpeg thing is gonna be enough, but you can also go ahead and install even more codecs, just like I've shown you. So as you can see, this has been super easy, and now you can just reboot the system and you will have all the codecs that you need. So that's it for today's video. Leave a like and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow a lot. I'm going to see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.